friends, hi everyone. I'm here for another tutorial lesson. Last week we talked about how to pronounce words like cat, like brother, like mother, like uncle, like cousin, etc. Okay, and we said the way we position our mouth is like our mouth is gonna be wide opened to pronounce the sound ah. Okay, ah is gonna be wide open, tongue down, okay, and lips opened as well, okay, to pronounce the sound ah. Okay, found in under, mother, brother. Today we're gonna be focusing on another vowel sound, which is a long vowel sound, monophthong. Okay, long vowel sound, and it's monophthong. It's the sound found in bird. Okay, bird, B-I-R-D. Now let's go through how we position our mouth while pronouncing the sound and now it's gonna be the mouth relaxed, okay, lips relaxed as well, and tongue relaxed. So when you're pronouncing the sound your mouth is gonna be as relaxed as possible. It's gonna be as relaxed as possible. It's so you're gonna be free while pronouncing it. So let's go through some words having the sound Number one, word, W-O-R-L-D, W-O-R-L-D, word. Okay, then bird, bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Okay, not bed. Listen, I didn't say bed. Bed is B-E-D. It's bird, not bed. Turn, T-U-R-N, turn, not ten. I didn't say ten. If I said ten, it's gonna be T-E-N, but it's turn, turn. Okay, it's then another is learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn, learn. Okay, journey, 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 J-O-U-R-N-E-Y, journey. Okay, confirm, confirm, C-O-N-F-I-R-M, confirm, confirm, confirm. Okay, not confirm, not confirm. I didn't say confirm, it's not R. Right? Alright, thanks for watching. Bless your day. I hope you enjoy the video. See you next week and see you in another video lesson.